Hello friends, welcome to DIY. Today I am doing the safety glass unboxing. I buy it for 93 rupees only from Amazon. It is very important if you make DIY stuff. This glass is very useful and safe for your eyes. So if you like to buy, you can buy it from Amazon. The link is given in description. Let's unbox it. So these are the unit. Best quality, and this is the elastic. You can hold it on your head, and if you do any experiment, then you can use this glass. And this is a plastic material. It is also plastic here. So just like this. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep learning. DIY, the most creative channel. Thank you.